bearing lubrication can help prevent potential over and under lubrication of bearings, therefore leading to fewer bearing failures. That's the idea, right? You know, your company may buy it to increase productivity. You're using it to have less failures to help you lube. That's the whole point of it. We don't want those bearing failures. It costs us one way or another, whether it's more work for me or whether it's money coming out of the coffers of our company. This is a problem. Failures due to improper lubrication, we're gonna drop that. That's not going to be such a big problem once we implement this. Extended bearing and equipment life, that's what it's all about right there. Decreased amount of lubricant used, that's a plus side. Usually people don't think about that, but they'll see it in the end. We're not purchasing as much. It's just not as needed. That money goes somewhere else now. More time for productive preventive maintenance, or more work being done, more projects that weren't getting done because we're not spending so much time lubing bearings that didn't need it before, and we're not having the number of failures because we were over lubing to begin with. So now we're creating man hours by lubing properly. Extended mean time between failure, I think we've covered that, and an increased asset availability. Now we're up and running. Now our product's getting out of the door and it's reliable.